American artist George Raleigh created the blue dog painting based on a Cajun legend about a werewolf that lived in the bayou called a raggery. There are over 1,200 different blue dog paintings by the artist. It was inspired by a combination of his own dog and raggery.
These famous recognizable paintings hang everywhere from the White House to famous people's homes. These paintings range in prices of a few $1,000s to $250,000. These New Orleans, Louisiana-based illustrations in these parts of the Art Expo are curated by first grade students using temporary paint. Enjoy!